Hi guys. Replace again. I'm just gonna vlog again because this video is pangit. Pangit.
Again, I'm gonna do my sound softly.
Where is Adam Tube?
Okay, guys. Good enough? Or more? Okay, that's good enough? Yep.
Now Adam is here. I think his house.
We're gonna build my house.
No, I just built it. I just built your house.
My house and
Bigger?
Bigger and beautiful. Got a beautiful. I spend all of my money.
Mine is beautiful. I'm gonna spend all of my money.
Oh no. Ethan's beautiful house. Mine is.
Yours is beautiful because it's made out of wood. Mine is cobblestone. I spent so many money into axe. I spent
I spent
Oh.
99 pounds.
No.
Sing a song.
some one wood spend $1 and one cobblestone spend $500. So I just spent $1 trillion. I need to get another floor, so yep.
I teleported. Oh. Bitch, what the?
Do not say the bad word, please.
What the?
Do not say the bad.
I
Do not
said
say.
what the? I said what the? What?
You almost said the bad word.
What the hell?
Oh, that's a bad word.
That's not a bad word.
That's a bad word, right, Adam? What the hell is a bad word, right?
That's a phrase.
No, it's a bad word. I know that. It's a bad word.
Just going on.
Just going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. Where I've been now. It's a nice time.
Where's your chest?
Where's your money? Where's your total money? I'm gonna go get my upstairs. Oh yeah. Go get your upstairs.
Training.
I'm just gonna help you. I'm getting your upstairs. Oh no, hacks. Hacks for days.
How's life?
Lash weather clear. Because
Oh no, we're gonna mine the wood. No. Oh, what if we just gonna combine our house?
nag-text sabihin niya may ihi lang si Sandra.
What if we just combine our second floor?
oh yeah. Here's some wood. Hey. Adam Chub, here's some wood. There's some wood. I have so many wood here. So yeah, Adam Chub is AFK. It's AFK. We go in. Is the bathroom. The bathroom. That bathroom. On the tree, and on the tree, and on the tree, and 1, 2. No, I spent all of my money. Oh no. I was FK. I'm just gonna slash glue. Ask for this spring. Slash glue. Skeleton. I don't have wood.
Natin para may burglar.
No, you have wood because I give you wood. So I have 10. You have 21.
I mean ang text.
Wala. You have 21. Wood.
Just spend all of my money. Not for
No, that's my money. Okay, time to finish your chest. Finish mine because mine is
kanina pa to,
naka ano?
naka,
Oh. Hey, can I get Can I get your 4 wood? The 4 wood.
come on, help me.
Yeah, I'm gonna help you. I'm helping Nathan. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3. I need to finish mine. I said if you're gone, I said Adam is AFK, he go in the bathroom.
So we're gonna build our house beautiful.
That's oak wood, not acacia wood. I have acacia wood. Oh no, hacks. Time set day, and I'm gonna peaceful it so everyone had food and totally there's no mobs. We need
Yeah, we need the wood.
we need so many wood. What do you want? 2nd floor, 3rd floor, or 4th floor?
Second floor.
I like 4th floor.
And third floor.
Kuya Jordan's poor, right?
No, it's our top floor.
No, we don't have a. You don't have a. You don't have
We
a.
can share our house.
Okay. I'm just gonna go get some. I'm gonna go in Kuya Jordan's house and I'm gonna give him his surprise. Yes. He's poor. I'm gonna give him.
Not in real life, just in Minecraft.
Yes. Yeah, he's poor
We
in my.
are
Then
rich.
I am.
I'm just kidding.
I am
Yeah, just
sharing
chicken. Go there.
my house.
Come on, get some wood. I'm gonna get some wood. Any wood, like jungle wood.
I have acacia wood. I have 3 acacia wood. Just oak wood. Just oak wood.
No. Let's go in
Time set day again because it's so the time is not great. Weather clear. Great. Weather clear. I'm at in the
If
house.
you have a wood, the one wood just get an axe. Axe is like
Yeah. I need the diamond. We need a golden axe. So the golden axe is faster than diamond axe, right? But the golden axe had zero ability. One use. Now the golden axe is just a 17 uses and it broke. Yeah. I just tested that in Minecraft, so yeah. Do not spend some gold in Minecraft.
Don't spend gold on tools because gold tools the weakest tool in the Minecraft
Yeah,
history.
but the gold is faster than diamonds, so it's worth it. But it's
But it's faster to break.
yeah, he had low durability. Where's our house? Going to our house, just parkouring. Parkourish. The parkourish. I'm a parkour guy. Hey Adam. I have a full iron gear because I'm mining so many times because I like mining. I'm saving stone pickaxe, axe, swords like that.
and I'm just gonna build a house. And what it
There's so many wood.
spend all of this.
Spend all of this to money. We need the money mod here, right? Money mod.
I'm just kidding. This is not.
Is that a wood? Okay.
No, this is jumping.
We want jungle wood.
What is happening?
Now our house is ridiculous. I'm gonna add another one, or no? Let's do not spend all of your wood to make a house. Just spend all of your. Let's spend all of your cobblestone like that because if you got so many cobblestone tools, just spend
No,
some.
if you have no.
How is
This mine, that is a good food.
just if you don't have so many blocks, just mine down. Just mine down and there you go, you have a house. So guys, I'm gonna end this.
Wood. Wood is your
I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoy. And I'm gonna skip in the other video. So guys, bye.